Give me one. Oh, hey. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about this dishwasher right here. Seeing just how messed up it is, how dirty it is, and what happens when you don't use a nice dishwasher cleaner. So, if you guys like this video, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out all of my other awesome videos that help you fix your stuff, your appliances, your dishwasher. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Thank you for coming back to my channel. Thank you for watching. But you should see the outtakes for this video. They are wild. So, actually, you probably don't want to watch them. Anyway, so thanks for coming back. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing and liking this video. If you don't haven't already, go ahead and hit that like button. I promise it's going to help a lot of people. If you want you to understand what I've got in this magnificent beauty here, this is why I tell people that you need to run a dishwasher cleaner through your dishwasher. Run a dishwasher cleaner through your dishwasher, okay? So, I'm gonna open this guy up and I'm gonna let you see here, but I scream this in all my videos, so if your dishwasher is not heating like it should be, this is probably why, okay? Let me just show you this. That's a little sharp. Don't know, just my lighting here. I don't know if you could see that. Maybe it'll focus on that on the inside there. Maybe. But it's filthy. Okay? That's probably from a well water system, more than likely. And so if you've got well water, then you're going to run into problems. And I'm going to open this guy up. Hopefully everything doesn't fall. See, it's trying to tell you that's what you need. But I've got this guy hooked up. Don't know what I'm doing right now. Use all that good stuff. Not brand specific, but I don't know if you can see that or not, but man, is it filthy. Okay. This is probably a terrible idea, but I'm going to do it anyway. We'll set that weight on top. Hopefully it stays. Let's pull this out. Let's see. Yeah. Great. Okay. Here we go. So, just going to take you through here. All right. Look at all the buildup. See all that? Look at this. All right. Look. Let me zoom in. Look at that. Holy cow. All right. This is what happens when you don't use dishwasher cleaner, when you don't use vinegar, when you don't clean it, when you don't do anything for 10 years. All right. It's horrible. All right. I tell everybody, clean around the dishwasher. Clean around the outsides. Clean the insides. Run dishwasher cleaner through it once a month. I mean, you could tell that it's well water because of the lime. But look, it's all just filthy. Absolutely filthy. So here's what we're going to do today. We're going to run dishwasher cleaner through it. And we're going to see just how much it gets rid of. Alright? Let's do it. I didn't even show you guys the hose, but I'm sure that you know what's up. Okay, so we're going to stick that hose right here in this bucket that we have. And we're going to read the back of these instructions. Let's see what it says here. Place one pack in the main dispenser and close the dispenser door. Let it do the cleaning. A second pack may be required for machines with heavy buildup. Recommended to be used once a month, every month. So, let's in this pack, there are 3 packs. So, oh man, I didn't even show you the bottom. Oh, it's filthy. So we'll just set it right in there. Close it up. And we will let it do its thing. I'm going to put it on sanitize also, and we will let it run. We'll see what we get. And just for the haters out there who think there's already something in the bucket, there's nothing. Hey, just an update, but I don't know if you guys can see, but that, whoa, shoot, whew, that's what's it's gotten out so far. I don't even know what that plastic thing is, but we're gonna get it out too. Yikes. Ugh. Ew, sounds terrible. This would be round number 2. Remember, there's nothing in there. This is just what was in the dishwasher. Ugh. So, I think that heating element's good. Let me show you why. A lot of people ask on the channel, I don't know if you can see it, but it's up to about 130 degrees if I could aim. Yeah, and you can see, let's see if I can bring you closer. You can actually see the water evaporate off of it in some places, but yep, it's good. That's what these guys are so handy, is because in the beginning it was like 92 degrees, but now during the actual cycle it's 130 degrees. So if you don't have one of these and you want to check it, get one. They're not too expensive. I'll put a link down in the description below. Yikes. Ugh. Now that is filthy. Ugh. So, let's see what it did. Oh, okay. I should have put that. Ah! Okay, let's try it again. Okay. Look, so much cleaner. Now, obviously, it's still dirty. Okay, but yeah, I'm gonna clean some of this manually, but I just want you to look. Like before, you could see all this, the scum and build up on there, and you could still see some in the back. That's nasty, but overall, you know, oh, it's disgusting. So I've got to clean it out a lot more, but you could see, honestly, you could see exactly what those do. So just to show you what I did, I mean, you saw me put the 1 pack in. Well, after probably like 20 minutes, So it runs through its first cycle, right? It got some stuff out, just spraying water. And then it went through the second cycle. What I did was I put one in the dispenser, and then I put another one in the water, just floating around, and it ran for probably like 45 minutes, an hour, 30 minutes. I didn't keep track of time, but probably around 45 minutes it ran, got circulate through there. But you can see all that stuff that's in there. Just imagine what's inside of the motor and all that. You know, the circulation pump. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean all of this out. I'm going to take it out thoroughly, clean it thoroughly, put it back together. But that's why you need to be using dishwasher cleaning tablets every single month, because this is what happens whenever you don't. So if you're not looking at the back of your dishwasher and all around the outside, check it out. You need to be using a dishwasher cleaner. I'll put a link down in the description below for what I recommend that you use. Those work pretty good. The other ones work pretty good also. But that was 2 packets. It says for heavy buildup, use 2 packets. So that's what we did. We put one in there to begin with, and then I threw another one in the water because I didn't want to put it in the tray, because you can't fit 2 in the tray. But anyway, that's what I did. We're gonna end up cleaning it up. I wish there was a way you guys could see this, but yeah, you might be able to. Look at that. Holy cow. So I think what I'm going to do is burn it to death. Probably not. Yeah. So. Holy cow. I don't even want to get. Let's use an old container. And I have a brush that I'm just going to throw away. We're just going to pour that. Oh, it's like it's never, ever, 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 ever been cleaned. Ever. 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 This is why you use dishwasher cleaner. I need gloves. Anybody want to buy me gloves? Just kidding. They're like $1. You know what? You know what? I actually have a pair. Ugh. Filthy. Filthy. But, let's get some more hot water. We can see what we've missed. This is why I say to clean your thing too. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is start it and see if it'll drain that. Sometimes when there's water in there, they'll just drain. Take that out. Get you over here. Actually, it looks like it is. Hopefully it don't get clogged up in the filter or the thing. Ugh, all that was past the filter, just sitting in there. Don't worry, for those in the back, I got you. Thought that was pop off, but it's glued. It's a seal. Okay. A lot better, and it's not what I prefer. No. It has yeah, we're gonna get that cleaned up too. Okay. Hey guys, so it's almost midnight. Been working on this almost all day. Here you go. It's pretty much clean. Okay, a lot of hand scrubbing. It's taken a lot, but I hope you'll reminisce in the joys of this clean dishwasher. So, sorry you didn't get to see all of it clean earlier, but hey, if you like this kind of content, you want for me to pick up one of these like every month or two or every week or something and do it and clean it and let me take you through that journey, let me know. I think that'd be kind of cool. Anyway, I know that my video was a little bit off. I was a little bit too close, so my head was cutting off in some of the places, but I'm trying to get used to this new camera setup, so I don't have a tripod yet, so you're literally sitting on a chair. But anyway, this is done. I've cleaned as much as I can out of it as possible. Probably going to run one more load, probably with some vinegar, maybe some bleach through it, maybe some dishwasher cleaner. But you saw the power of the dishwasher cleaner. You saw what 2 tablets could do. It pretty much cleaned all of the stuff on the, like outside, like in the tub. It got a lot of that out. Like, I was really, really, really surprised at just all of that did. So that's why you guys need to be using it monthly. Just 1 tablet. Just throw it in your thing. You can run it with dishes, without dishes, whatever. But 2 of them cleaned out a lot. But this thing hadn't been cleaned in 10 years, and there's not much 2 tablets is going to do. So, as you saw, it was filthy. Absolutely filthy. But now, it's super clean. So, I hope that... Let me just take you over to it. just enjoy that right there. Look at that. Look at it. Look at how clean. Look at how clean it is now. It's like a brand new dishwasher. It's completely different. Anyway, I will set you back down here. Yeah. But anyway, guys, I know I'm probably need some clean around the outside, but that's all that I'm gonna do. I'll let the next person deal with it. But if you guys like this video, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to buy your dishwasher cleaner down in the description below. Let me know what you think. If you want me to keep videoing this stuff like this, get new dishwashers, and clean out all the gunk and let you watch that. Do you guys enjoy that? Do you enjoy seeing all the nasty stuff and enjoy seeing it get clean? Do you want me to get better shots? Tell me in the description what you guys want to do, and I'll see if I can do my best to make it happen. But anyway, y'all have a great evening, morning, whenever you're watching. Have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.